An MRS job is a program execution platform provided by MRS to process and analyze data after a job is created. It is displayed in the job list on the Jobs tab page, from which you can view the job list and create and manage jobs. Before you create a job, upload local data to OBS or HDFS. After data is processed and analyzed, you can store the data in HDFS or export the data from the cluster to OBS. MRS clusters enable you to create and manage the following types of jobs, includes MapReduce, Spark, Hive and Flink. In this example, a Flink job is submitted on an MRS 310 cluster with Kerberos authentication disabled to process data stored in OBS. The Flink word count sample program built in the MRS cluster is used to compute the frequency of words, prepare the test data for data analysis in advance, and upload the JAR package of the sample program and the test data to the specified OBS file system. After a cluster is created, click the cluster name to go to its details page. On the Jobs tab page, click Create to create a job. In the Create Job dialog box that is displayed, create a Flink job. Enter a job name in the name field. Select a program path for program path. In this example, select the path of the word count program that has been uploaded to the OBS. In the program parameter area, you can click the plus sign to configure optimization parameters, such as thread, memory, and vCPUs for the job. These parameters help optimize resource utilization and improve job execution performance. In the parameters area, enter the input and output parameters of the application. The input parameter indicates the test data to be analyzed, and the output parameter indicates the result output file. After the job is submitted, wait until the job execution is complete. When result becomes successful, the job execution is complete. After the job is successfully executed, return to the Dashboard tab page. On this tab page, click Access Manager to log in to FusionInsight Manager. On FusionInsight Manager, you can view the job running status and run logs. On FusionInsight Manager, choose Cluster, Services, Yarn. On the Dashboard tab page that is displayed, click the link next to Resource Manager Web UI to access the native Yarn Web UI. On the All Applications page that is displayed, choose Applications on the left, and you can view the job running status and run logs. After the job execution is complete, you can view the data analysis result in the specified result output file in the OBS file system. Download the output file to your local PC and open the file to view the analysis result.